How smart are you? Think you can beat the timer and get every one of these science questions right? Let's see if you've got what it takes. The quiz starts now. What is the sun? It's a star. The sun is a star the closest to Earth, providing light. What is the moon? It's Earth's satellite. The moon is Earth's natural satellite, orbiting the Earth. Why do we have seasons? It's Earth's tilt. Earth's tilt affects the sunlight angle, causing seasons. What is a plant? It's an organism that makes its food. Plants use photosynthesis to make their food from sunlight. What is an animal? It's a living organism. Animals are living organisms that need food to survive. What is the water cycle? It's movement of water through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. What is the cloud? It's water vapor. Clouds form when water vapor condenses into tiny droplets. What is a rainbow? It's refracted sunlight. Rainbows form when sunlight is refracted by water droplets. What is a magnet? It's a material that attracts iron. A magnet attracts iron and some other metals. What is electricity? It's a flow of energy. Electricity is the flow of electric charge, electrons. What is a habitat? It's a place where animals live. A habitat is the natural home or environment of an organism. What is a food chain? It's energy flow through organisms. A food chain shows how energy is passed between organisms. What is a carnivore? It's an animal that eats only meat. Carnivores eat only meat to survive. What is an herbivore? It's an animal that eats plants. Herbivores eat only plants to survive. What is an omnivore? It's eats both plants and meat. Omnivores eat both plants and meat. What is a seed? It's a plant's reproductive structure. A seed is a structure that grows into a new plant. What is pollination? It's transfer of pollen to fertilize plants. What is a fossil? It's preserved remains of ancient organisms. What is a constellation? It's a A group of stars. A constellation is a group of stars forming a pattern. What is the Earth's atmosphere? It's B. Layers of gases around Earth. What is the difference between day and night? It's A. Earth's rotation. Day and night are caused by Earth's rotation on its axis. What is the difference between a planet and a star? It's A. A planet reflects light. Planets reflect light, while stars produce their own light. What is the solar system? It's C. A star and its planets. The solar system is a star, sun, and its planets. What is a galaxy? It's A. A galaxy is a massive group of stars, gas, and dust. What is the Milky Way? It's B. A galaxy. The Milky Way is the galaxy where our solar system resides. What is the difference between a mammal and a reptile? It's C. Mammals have hair, fur, and produce milk. Reptiles have scales. What is the difference between a bird and a fish? It's A. Birds fly with wings and live on land. Fish swim underwater. What is the difference between a frog and a toad? It's B. Frogs have smooth skin, while toads have rough, bumpy skin. Well, what is the difference between a butterfly and a moth? It's C. Butterflies are active during the day, moths at night. What is the difference between a tree and a shrub? It's C. Trees have a single trunk. Trees have a single trunk, while shrubs have multiple stems. Awesome job, young scientists! How did you do? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun quizzes. Keep exploring and stay curious.